Hello students, I am giving you a numerical regarding the electrochemistry whatsoever I have taught you till yesterday. Question is depict the galvanic cell. You have to depict the galvanic cell in which the reaction what happens? Zinc reacts with the silver salt. This is aqueous solution to give zinc ion plus 2 silver, that is a solid state, takes place. Further, so you have to find out that which electrode is negatively charged and the carries of the current in the cell, from which side current is going, and individual reaction at each electrode. You have to find out you have to write the reaction at which reaction is taking place at anode and which reaction is taking place at cathode. This is the question. As in the reaction zinc and silver, since the standard reduction potential of zinc is always negative and standard reduction potential of silver is positive, that's why zinc will act as an anode and silver will act as a cathode. That's why its reaction will be zinc, a single line, then zinc ion, that will be electrolyte. This is electrolyte aqueous solution. Then this is the parallel line which represents the salt bridge. Then silver is added in the silver electrolyte, that is in this way silver, it will be also in the aqueous state. This is a silver as a cathode. Zinc will, that's why zinc will act as an anode and silver will act as a cathode. And this is the reaction which takes place in the takes place in the cell. And since zinc is an anode, that's why second part of the question, which will anode is always negative charge and zinc will act as an act as an anode. In this case, zinc is negatively charged. Zinc is negatively charged. It is negatively charged. And current will flow from silver to zinc in the outer circuit. Current will flow from silver to zinc. Third part of the question is you have to write the individual reaction taking place at each electrode. That's why the reaction which takes place at zinc or at anode or cathode. At anode only oxidation takes place, as zinc acts as anode in this reaction in the cell. That's why zinc will lose electron to form zinc ion 2 electron. This is the reaction which takes place at the anode. Zinc will lose electron to form zinc ion and it will be in the aqueous state. At the cathode, what will happen? Silver ion will gain the electron and will be deposited at the silver metal in the solid state.